In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Origin Financial website. Once you land on the home page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. This will redirect you to a new tab where you can begin creating your account. Next, you'll see the current offer, which typically starts at $1 for the first year. After that, the subscription renews at $99 per year, and you can cancel anytime if you decide not to continue. Make sure to review the pricing details before moving forward. Now, enter your payment information. You can pay directly using your card, and if you have a promo code, there should be a field where you can enter it to apply any discounts before checkout. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Subscribe to Origin. After completing the payment, your account will be created instantly, and you can start setting up your dashboard and connecting your accounts right away. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.